Okay, here's a brand new York package air conditioning unit. This unit replaced a old Lennox package unit that I got starting up last summer. Currently not running, or well, the blower is actually running, but the condenser is not running right now. But yeah, this is a York unit. See, it's from 2023, and I'm not exactly sure on the tonnage. Has a stroll compressor, probably a Copeland stroll, I assume. But yeah. Yeah, the blower is running right now. And this does have microchannel, unfortunately. But yeah, this unit is at the Williamsburg outlet mall that I filmed at a few times before. But yeah, it's a shame that old Lennox got replaced with this microchannel unit. But yeah, just had to get a quick video of this brand new unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.